Hi, my name is Hannah Snow. I'm a technical lead on Seqr, and today I'm going to walk you through how to load your data from an AnVIL workspace into Seqr. Start out in your AnVIL workspace and navigate to the Files page. Please note that this workspace needs to be one which you have writer or owner level access to and have the can share permission for. Additionally, this workspace cannot be associated with any authorization domains. If this workspace does not meet that criteria, we recommend you create a new clean workspace and load your files from there. Once you are in a valid workspace, make sure to upload a joint called VCF with all the samples you wish to load to Seqr, and then click the Analyze in Seqr button. This will prompt you to grant Seqr access to the data in this workspace, which will allow the Seqr loading process to begin. Once that's done, you will see a dropdown with a list of all of the VCFs that are available in your workspace. Please select the VCF that you wish to load and specify whether it is exomes or genomes and what genome build it is on. You can then enter an optional project description, which will be displayed in your Seqr project and can help you keep things straight if you've done loading several times. You will also be prompted to agree that not to load any HIPAA-protected data into Seqr. Seqr is not HIPAA compliant, and it is therefore in violation of federal law if you load any identifiable information in your pedigree file, including using real names as your family or individual IDs, or including any identifiable information in the family or individual notes. Once you agree to not load any patient information, you will be able to load a pedigree file. You can download either a blank template with the headers populated or an example pedigree if you are not sure how to fill a pedigree out. There is also a description of all of the required and optional columns and what values to provide. Once the pedigree has been uploaded, click Submit. This may take a few minutes, and we ask that you do not refresh the page while this is loading. Please note that once this loading request goes through, search will not immediately be available in Seqr. It can take up to a week from the time that you request your loading to when data is fully available in Seqr. You will receive an email letting you know once that data is available. When the data is available, a summary of it will appear in this dataset section. In the meantime, you can see the families and individuals created based on the pedigree you provided. And at this time, you can add any additional information that you would want for your analysis. You can either add it by directly editing families and individuals, or by using the bulk edit metadata functionality in Seqr, which will allow you to provide files with information such as HPO terms and other information about the individuals in Seqr. If at a later date you want to load more data to your Seqr project, this is allowed. You will need to joint call any new data along with any of the previously loaded family members. Once that joint call is complete and is in the same workspace associated with this Seqr project, you can then use the load additional data workflow. This will take you through a similar workflow to the one you just completed to create the project initially, and will allow you to provide a different VCF and an updated pedigree file. Please feel free to reach out to the Seqr team if you have any further questions or encounter any difficulties. Thank you.